Good morning. This is the hard algebra problem. If xy is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 5, then x square y minus xy squared equals which of the following? A. 2, B. 12, C. 24, D. 35, and E. 70. You got 30 seconds to do this problem. Okay, did you get that? The answer is 35. I know the student, whenever they see two variables x and y and two equations, they immediately start solving for x and y. Now if you take that approach, you are totally wrong, because this is SAT math, not the regular algebra problem. You must realize that you have no more than 60 seconds to solve this problem. If you took that route to calculate the value of y from this equation as such that y equals x minus 5, and substitute that value here, and you say x times x minus 5 is equal to 7, and then you try solving for x squared minus 5x minus 7 equals 0. Then you try to factor this and you go crazy. First of all, this is not factorable. You have to apply the quadratic formula, and you will come up with the x would have two values, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and then you substitute that value into this equation and get the value of x and y, and then substitute here, then square it and all that, and then you will come up with the answer 35, but it will take you 5 minutes and you may be wrong, okay, and you perspire and you blow the test, okay. So what I'm going to teach you is the SAT way, thinking way, okay. That's a wrong approach, okay. The thinking way is saying that whenever you have two equations and two unknowns, but you watch out what they are asking. They are not asking the individual value of x equals so much or individual value of y equals so much, but they are asking for an expression value which contains x and y. So you do not need to calculate the individual value of x and y. So think another way. Whenever I look at this expression in algebra, I think of common factors. Well, I see a lot of common factors. X is common and y is common. So let's factor this expression. If we factor it, xy is the factor in both terms. If you take out the xy, then we are left with, into parentheses, x minus y. So this is what they are asking, what the value of that is. Now, then we take a look at what is given to us. Well, xy is equal to 7, so I substitute xy equals 7 times x minus y equals 5, and that's 5. So 7 times 5 is 35, and the answer is 35. D. It is that simple, okay? So remember, the principle, don't try and jump and calculate the value of x and y by solving 2 by 2 equations, okay? Think the SAT way. Homework. If x squared plus y squared is equal to 18 and xy is equal to 6, then x cubed y plus xy cubed is how much? Email your answer to satmathproblems@yahoo.com. One word, satmathproblems@yahoo.com. Thank you.